Hi guys, welcome back. So this is my new project. I made this mini album for my sister-in-law Vishruti. Hi Vishruti, how are you? This album measures 8 by 6.5, and the inside pages are 7.5 by 6. This is the spine, and here is the back. I have made it very simple so that she won't have any problem putting her pictures on. So on the front cover I have this sticker that says summer, and two doilies and a banner. So it unties with a satin ribbon. So we open it up like so. So let's see inside. So here on the first page, this side I have left it plain so she can write about herself or anything else if she wants. And on this page there's a flap which goes up, and there's a spot for picture, and she can do a collage of pictures or something like that. And each page has a side pocket, so she can put in more pictures. On the next page I have a belly band, and inside the belly band we have two photo mats. I have used a hard punch here for the tabs, and cornered the edges. On this page we have a double pocket, and we have two more tags. She can lay in more pictures if she wants. I have not included too many journaling cards in this project because she might not journal as much. So on this page there's a photo mat and a sticker sheet, and the picture can slide inside like this. So on this page we have a side flap that opens to the right, and there's more room for pictures, and the picture can slide in like so. So that's that. On this page there is a sticker. This sticker is from other collection, and inside we have a small photo mat and a journaling tag. This is the only journaling tag that I have included in this project, and it's double sided so she can journal in it if she wants. Here we have a side pocket, and there's a photo mat inside it. On the next page we have again a photo mat, and this says enjoy, and she can lay in the picture like so. Here we have got a flap that goes down, and again the pictures can slide inside like this, and there's more room for bigger pictures. On the next page we have these two flaps which opens to the right and left like this, and there are more room for pictures, and she can journal if she wants on the blank pages. Here there's a photo mat and a sticker, and the photo can slide inside like so. On the last page I have made a deep pocket and inserted this photo mat inside, and we've got a sticker here. And here we have a waterfall, and this is a plain waterfall, so she can add in her pictures on all the sides. So this is absolutely plain, and there's total of 6. So that's it. That was my small project for her. Hope she likes it. Bye bye, I'll see you later.